Half-Life 2 is a first-person shooter video game developed and published by Valve Corporation. It is the sequel to 1998's Half-Life and was released in November 2004 following a 5-year $40 million development. During development, a substantial part of the project was leaked and distributed on the Internet. The game was developed alongside Valve's Steam software and the Source engine. Taking place some years after the events of Half-Life, protagonist Gordon Freeman is awakened by the enigmatic G-Man to find the world has been taken over by the alien Combine. Joined by allies including resistance fighter Alyx Vance, Gordon searches for a way to free humanity using a variety of weapons, including the object-manipulating gravity gun. Half-Life 2 received critical acclaim. It was praised for its advanced physics, animation, sound, AI, graphics, and narrative. The game won 39 Game of the Year awards and the title of Game of the Decade at the 2012 Spike Video Game Awards, and is widely considered to be one of the greatest games of all time. Over 6.5 million copies of Half-Life 2 were sold at retail by December 2008. By February 2011, Half-Life 2 had sold over 12 million copies. It was followed by the sequels Episode 1 and Episode 2.